Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use FlexPay for rent. First, unlock your phone and open the Flex app using your email and password for logged in. On the home screen, you will see a total rent amount and your payment schedule. Flex usually split rent into two payments. First part of the rent at the beginning of the month and the rest later in the month. Make sure the amount and the date are correct. If you haven't already, Flex will ask you to add a bank account or debit card for payment method. Follow the steps in the app to securely connect your payment method. When your rent cycle starts, FlexPay automatically charges the first payment. The second payment will be charged on the later scheduled date. You don't need to pay everything at once. Flex handle the split for you. You can tap payment or history in the app to see up completed payment, upcoming payment, and pending charges. This helps you to stay on top of your rent. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.